Hello, welcome to my program. Here we have a program written to help advisors keep track of students who enter our department. I teach at Miami-Dade College. In the NTech department, I teach classes on spreadsheets, C++ programming, and I really wanted to learn more about Python. So I was very happy to be part of CS50. It was a great experience. Here we have a Flask program organized into different folders. We have a folder for JavaScript, CSS. This is in the static folder. And then we have the templates, which are HTML files. We have an index. You'll notice, just like in CS50, we have Jinja, where we can show error messages if certain information is not entered, like no name. And now, to get to the meat of the programming, I decided to use models. So this is how we model the database tables to our classes. And then we have forms with validators. And lastly, we have the logic of how the program goes from one place to another: sign up, log in. So here we are in Miami, Florida. Happy to show you my project. My name is David Freer, and this is an advisor website made with Flask.